Hey guys, Chris with Gtechniq. We have two specific coatings that I recommend for ease of application. First product to discuss is Crystal Serum Light. Crystal Serum Light, pretty straightforward. In the box, you get a pair of gloves, a round applicator, and a dropper. So you're gonna load up your applicator probably with about 3 milliliters worth of product. Once that applicator is loaded up, you're gonna start with a small section. Usually recommend doing 2x2 squares, so that way you get your flash time down. Once you've got your flash time down, then you can work in bigger sections as needed. Another factor with Crystal Serum Light is the environment. Be sure to keep the car in a cool, temperature-controlled environment for your best application process. You don't want to be in direct sunlight or outdoors. That's going to create lots of problems for you. Option number 2, C2V3, Liquid Crystal. With our 6-month sealant spray, C2V3, it's great as a standalone or as a topper for our Crystal Serum Light, EXO, C1, and any other product we may offer. C2V3 can be used on your glass, your paint, your wheels, any surface of your exterior vehicle. When going to apply C2V3, it's very straightforward. You've got it in a spray bottle. Take a clean microfiber towel, spray it onto the towel, wipe it onto the surface, and buff off as necessary. I recommend flipping the towel to the dry side if needed if you see any streaking. That will help level out the C2V3.